Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll explain you about my account payment ledger. So this is the upgrade version. This format already available to my websites. So I'll explain you what are the new things it has and how does it work. So when you open this format, it will looks like this. Actually it is a format, but it will work like an application. So that we have the transaction number, as you can see, the date. These two options are automatic. Then we select our customer. First we clear the data. The date will be by default today. Then we select the party name like supplier. Then we select we are going to make an invoice. Then we click this button to find the supplier name. If I type here B, see if we have any supplier, that supplier name started from B, it will appear. There is no S. So I have two suppliers. Their name started from S, Suman and Kukula. So I take Suman. I click this plus button to add that supplier. So right side you can see that particular supplier's name, email ID and address, and below we have the transactions details. Till now there is no transactions with the supplier Suman. So the total invoice issue is 0, total paid 0 and balance 0. So we are making a new invoice. So the invoice amount will be 1500. By default the GST section I keep 5%. If you don't want to add, just keep it 0. Then I'll click submit. It's very easy to use this format. You see the entry is already added, date is 18 and the supplier name transaction number is 1000. Okay, so now I click new. As you can see, when I click new, then the transaction number is 1001 and these are the previous data, so I'll delete them. It's very easy to delete any data. Simply select the data and click on delete entries. So it will be easy for you to understand. So we have now one entries. Now the transaction number we have increased by clicking new, and the date is same. Now we are going to select the supplier, and this time we are going to make a payment. So we select payment, then again we choose the supplier. We are going to take the same supplier, that is Suman. And when I select the Suman, you can see the total invoice issue is 1500 is showing, balance is 1500, there is no paid at all. So this time we're going to make some payments like 500, and this time it is mandatory to select the payment method also. So we're going to make the payment by online. So I select online, and this time you can see the GST section is showing 5%, but the GST amount is 0. That means it's not being calculated. So total amount is 500 and subtotal also 500. I submit. So that's how we can make a invoice, and then we can make the payments also. See, payment method is online, and payment made 500 rupees. The similar we can make entries for supplier and customers for both. Then if want to generate the ledger, simply click ledger. So this is the ledger page. If we click show all, it will show me the entries that we made earlier. So here you can search the data on the basis of date, transaction number, party type, party name and payment methods. For now I have only one supplier, sorry, one entry, so there's nothing much to search. Here at this section you can see that we have the total calculation, like total invoice amount, total GST, total GST, CGST, HGST, total GST amount, subtotal, total payments. Here at this section you can see the summary, like total invoice issued this much, total credit this much, total credit balances, because there is no credit at all, just we made the entries for debit, so it's showing here only. If you want to get a print of this ledger, simply click this print button and it will give you a print. If the printer is not attached, then it will show you the PDF option by default. And from here you can add suppliers, sorry, customers, and from this page you can add suppliers. It's very easy. Right side you can see the colorful area. Don't touch this area. Actually these are the place where I have added the formulas, but left side this area is fully empty. You can add the suppliers details easily, and you can delete also. Okay, so I come back to the master. So as you can see, this format is very useful, and it has almost all the features. My previous account payment ledger, there was no invoice option, so I couldn't show the balance amount of customers or suppliers, but in this format I have added that option too. And I hope you like this format. If you want to download this format, the download link will be in description box. Simply click that uh, downloading link to download. After download, contact me. I'll send you a video how to enable the macro, because these files are run on macro. So you have to enable the macro just for one time, and after that you can start using this format. So thank you very much for watching this video.